in the past few months have driven comparison from the likes of Munni Badnaam Hui and Sheila Ki Jawani. So much so that not even filmmakers like the ones associated with Yash Raj Films have been able to make a do without it. And putting up another one of their item songs giving Sheila's and Munni's tough competition is the Mutton song, which we rather not think too much about and let director Bumpy do all the talking.
Far better looking. If you drove by Linking Road post 11 p.m., you'd probably see, is that Ta? We just wanted to do something which was mainstream, yet wasn't really mainstream. It was the way we look at mainstream, and it's a very twisted way of looking at it. And don't get scared when you see the rest of the stuff. But it just come out outrageously well, and this guy actually had, I don't know if I'm allowed to say balls, but he had the gonads. Okay, he had the gonads to actually stand up and say, you know what, I think I'm going to go ahead and do this. I don't know too many guys who actually would have done it, and he's done a great job.
So before we go any further, we guess it's in the best interest of your rising curiosity to let you have a sneak peek into the song. Go on and judge it for yourself what you think about this one. Now what your views on the songs are, we don't know. But here is what the producer Ashish Patil have to say about choosing this over many a Munnis and any a Sheila.
A, he didn't have a choice. B, the place where we were shooting this, the changing room was actually like really far out. It's like in a different building, 4 floors away, etc. So he had this bathrobe which he could wear to come down to the shoot. After a point, he was like, who needs this? And he's walking around in his ghagra choli with lipstick, and it's like a regular hotel. So there's like these regular families which are going into the lifts, and our friend here starts pouting at the family. All of that stuff. Hysterical. And which is what has made this song really special. And Shraddha already mentioned Adil, our friend Adil Sheikh, who's choreographed the song. What's wonderful about this song, that each one has added an additional layer of insanity and their own unique chap of madness to it. So be it from the words, be it from the music, be it from the singing, be it from the way it's performed, to even the way it's been choreographed, and the casting of the backup dancers. They are special. Everyone's bringing remixes back and old songs back. Adil Sheikh here has brought back vintage Bollywood backup dancers. One of my favorites. All men. Fantastic. There is the legendary Mr. Bulbulji. Are you guys familiar with Laila Mein Laila Kurbani? Yeah? If you guys remember the guy with the afro who goes kulu kulu, he's in the song. And that's just one of them. And so those are the things that make the song really special. So, to answer your question, Munni, Sheila, move over. Really.
At this exciting point in promoting a film, we totally understand the sentiments of a fresh and innovative, talented folks like you. Needless to say, we also agree with you. With cameraman Puneet Rawat, this is Dipti Ranglani for Archery.com.